Hi, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am upstairs in Latitude adjustment. This is the master bedroom. The television in here only has the ability to play a DVD. It is not a smart television and does not have DirecTV or any other cable service. So the only options that you have here happens to be the DVD player. The Craig unit is right here, or the brand Craig. So this is the DVD player. This is the JVC control. Up here, right here is the input button. So just in case something occurs, what we're looking for is the video 3 section. So video 3 is what the Craig DVD is connected to. And the traditional volume up and down right here. And that would be all of the features and functionality of the television in the upstairs master bedroom in Latitude adjustment. My name is Joe Hill. If you have any further questions, you can reach out to us in the office. That phone number is 208-634-0030.